Okay, so for the first one, one limit as x approaches infinity of 1 plus a over x raised to the b over x. Basically for this one, we can just plug in infinity. So approximately equals, because we can't really plug in infinity, but we're just gonna plug in infinity and see, like, pretend it's a really high number there and see what it would do. So 1 plus a over infinity raised to the b over infinity. Well, when you divide a number by infinity, divide by a really, really high number, it goes to 0. Because 1 over 2 is 1/2, but 1 over a trillion is 0.0000, like so many zeros, 1. And the higher that number on the bottom goes, the smaller the number is. So it tends towards 0. So this is going to give you 0 here, and that's going to give you 0 there. So equals basically 1 to the 0, which equals 1. So that should be your answer. And then for the second one, let's see. So tangent x over 2 over 2x minus pi. Let's try rewriting this one. So you get tangent of x times, so times the reciprocal of this, you're going to get 2x minus pi over 2. But that would just be x minus pi over 2. I just wrote it like that so we can have a pi over 2 since we're taking the limit as it approaches pi over 2. So, well, that's a problem though, because tangent of x, the graph, looks like this. So if that's negative pi over 2 and this is pi over 2, tangent's graph looks like that. So it goes through the origin. So this is going to be basically infinity times, and pi over 2 minus pi over 2 for this is 0. So, and it's not actually infinity, it's a really, really, really high number times, and it's not actually 0, it's a really, really low number. So we don't know which one's increasing more, so we can't do this actually. Infinity times 0 is not a definite term. So let's rewrite this. If we do x minus pi over 2 over, try to make it a fraction so we can try using L'Hopital's or something. So over, so times tangent over x is divided by 1 over tangent of x. And if we use L'Hopital's rule, this goes to just 1. And that 1 over tangent of x is going to give you, if you do the derivative, so it's cosine over sine, you can do the quotient rule. Should simplify down to negative cosecant squared x. So negative cosecant squared of pi over 2, just plug it in, and that should give you minus 1. So 1 over minus 1 equals minus 1. So that should be your answer for number 2.